Our next topic is digestion in humans. We take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. The unused parts of the food are defecated. Let us see what happens to the food inside the body. Digestive system consists of two major parts, that is digestive tract and associated glands. The food passes through a long continuous canal called alimentary canal, which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. This tract can be divided into six compartments: mouth and buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Associated glands. There are some associated glands that secrete enzymes which help in the digestion of food. These include salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. The food components gradually get digested as food travels through the different compartments. What happens to the food in different parts of the digestive tract? Now we first discuss buccal cavity, which is the first compartment of the digestive tract. Buccal cavity is more commonly known as mouth, and it is the beginning of the digestive system for human beings and animals alike. The mouth or buccal cavity contains teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. As you know, teeth breaks the food into smaller particles. In our mouth, saliva is produced by salivary glands, which moistens the chewed food. Each tooth is rooted in a separate socket in the gums. Our teeth vary in appearance and our teeth perform different functions. We will discuss the various types of teeth in the next slides. The process of taking in food through the mouth is called ingestion. As you know, tongue is a fleshy muscular organ which is attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front and can be moved in all directions. What is the function of tongue? We use our tongue for talking. Besides, it mixes saliva with the food during chewing and helps in swallowing food. There are taste buds in our tongue. We taste food with our tongue. Our tongue has taste buds that detect different tastes of food. That is, with the help of tongue only we can tell this food is sweet or it is sour in taste or salt is more in food and much more. Now we will also see different types of teeth. Teeth appear twice during our lifetime. First is deciduous teeth. They are also called milk teeth. They are 20 in number. First set of teeth grows when we are babies. When we take birth, then the teeth which come in our mouth, they are milk teeth, and they fall off at the age between 6 to 8 years. Then after milk teeth, the teeth which take place of milk teeth are permanent teeth. The permanent teeth may last throughout our life, or it may be also possible that they fall off during old age, or due to some accident, or due to some dental disease, they may fall early. An adult human being has 32 teeth in all. You can count the same: 16 in each jaw. That is, here 16, here 16, total 32. Our teeth cut, tear, grind the food before we swallow it. There are four different types of teeth. Sorry. You can see what are those: incisor, premolars, molars, and canines. Now we throw some light on the four different types of teeth. First, incisors. You can see here, these are incisors. Four in each jaw. Four in lower jaw, four in upper jaw. That is total eight. These are chisel shaped, used for biting and cutting food. They are also called biting teeth. Next come canines. You can see this is canine. Two in lower jaw, two in upper jaw. That is total four. They are sharp and pointed. You can see they are sharp and pointed. They are used to pierce or tear food. Premolars. You can see in this figure, two here, two here. Four in lower jaw, four in upper jaw, total eight. They have broad grinding surface. You can see broad grinding surface. They help in chewing and crushing the food. They are sometimes used for tearing as well. Molars. You can see three on one side of the jaw, three on the other side of the jaw. That is in lower jaw six, and in the upper jaw there are also six molars total. 12 molars in our mouth. They are principal grinders. They help to chew and grind the food. They have almost a flat surface with small projections. These teeth are meant for fine grinding of food. Now there is some lines about the premolars. Premolar teeth have properties of both canines and molars. That is, they have the properties of these and these, both teeth. And food can be transferred from the canines from here to premolars and then to the molars for grinding instead of directly from canines to the molars. That is, first the food comes to the canines, then it goes to premolars, then to the molars. We may also tell you that we have already uploaded various courses on different subjects: past tense, present tense, future tense, web applications, computer virus, most common mistakes in English grammar, internet, and letter writing format, and much more. You can view the same by visiting our website prabkirpaclasses.com. Next, now our topic is sweets and tooth decay. You can see in this figure that all of us, whether it we are a small baby or an adult person, all of us like sweets. But there is a caution that if these sweets remain attached to our teeth for a quite long time and we do not brush our teeth properly, it may cause tooth decay. Let us see what it happens. Normally, bacteria are present in our mouth, but they are not harmful to us. However, if we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating, many harmful bacteria also begin to live and grow in our mouth. These bacteria will generate the acid which damages the teeth. This is called tooth decay. If we do not take the treatment of our teeth in time, then there may be toothache, or in extreme cases it may result in tooth loss. Chocolates, sweets, soft drinks, and other sugar products are the major culprits of tooth decay. Culprits means reasons of tooth decay. Therefore, it is necessary for all of us to brush our teeth with a fluoride toothpaste twice a day, spending at least 2 minutes each time, and rinse the mouth after every meal. It is not that we brush the teeth quickly and throw and wash our mouth. We have to paste our teeth at least for 2 minutes. Avoid foods that cling. Cling means stick to the tooth, such as chewing gums, lollipops, etc. Also, we should not put our dirty fingers or unwashed object in our mouth. What happens if we eat in a hurry or talk or laugh while eating? Sometimes, when you eat in a hurry or talk or laugh while eating, you may cough get hiccups or a choking sensation. This happens when food particles enter our windpipe. Windpipe carries the air from our nostrils to the lungs. Windpipe runs adjacent to the food pipe. That is, both are parallel, windpipe and food pipe. They run side by side. But inside the throat, air and food share a common passage. Then it comes to our mind how food is prevented from entering the wood pipe. During the act of swallowing, a flap like valve closes the passage of the windpipe and guides the food into the food pipe. If by chance food particles enter the windpipe, we feel choked, get hiccups, or cough. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.